Hello ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the unboxing of the Zeadio handheld grip. As you see, it's a nice piece, at least I hope so. On the pictures it looked quite fine, but now let's see how it looks like. I needed it for my camera because I was taking lots of low shots, and that type of grip was just the thing that I needed. And who knows, maybe I can boost it up with some wheels for under to make it actually a slider or something, but I'll have to test it out. And maybe on top of it I can always mount my aperture light, and that would totally make for a better video quality and stuff like that. So let's see, let's open this thingy and let's see how it looks. Okay, let's see what's inside this little treasure chest. So we're gonna open this, and it's a grip. I thought this was going to be full metal, but it's actually a plastic. It's a plastic man, but it should, you know, do the job. So it looks like this. Nice. Okay, so let's see the measurement of this little fella. So this is for you, my European friends out there, because I don't know feet or whatever the other nations use. I'm more of an international system guy. So it's like 25 centimeters, as you see here, like this. Now let's see the height of it. So to the top of the shoe there's like 22 centimeters. Let's see what we can measure on this. So if I put it like this, like the width of it is like 9 centimeters. Yeah, it's like wait, I put it, the width is like 9 centimeters. So like this is like 24, and the height of it is like 20 and a half. So it's pretty decent, and we'll see how much this helps stabilize the footage. So now I'm using this handheld stabilizer in order to make like one of those videos. I can go all around like this. I can go really slow. I really like the feeling of the grip. It's like pretty decent actually. Okay, let's see with two hands on the Z. Now maybe go back. And you have to know that actually my hands are pretty shaky. I mean, my hands shake like one of those alcoholics that really needs a drink. So it's pretty decent actually. There's just the thing in my hand, so no other type of stabilization. And now I'm gonna do this with one hand, and it's pretty decent. I like it. So guys, if you wanna buy one of these, it's actually pretty cool. You can do a ton of stuff with it. Even the angle is kind of cool to make it like, let's see, up and down, up and down. Let's see if I hold the base like this, and let's see, I do it with two hands. So up, down, here, son. Up, down. So the only negative point I would only give here is that this screw doesn't go through this opening. And I thought at first that this screw that comes from the bottom is actually way longer, so you can mount anything, but it's shorter. Well, oh well, I'll just find another solution. But other than that, this thing is pretty cool. It's actually plastic, but it's a hard plastic, so I don't think it's gonna break that easily. So I say that is one pretty cool thing. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like it, hit the thumbs up. If you hate it, hit the dislike button, and even comment on it why you hate it, why you hate my life's work, but it's okay. I wish you guys an awesome day.